Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodine tincture at home. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to shield yourself from potential splashes. Ensure you are working in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any fumes. It is also crucial to keep all chemicals and the finished product safely away from children and pets. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You will need 2 grams of pure iodine crystals, which are the active component. We also need 5 grams of potassium iodide to help the iodine dissolve properly. For our liquids, prepare 5 milliliters of distilled water and 45 milliliters of 95% ethanol. Finally, have a clean, dark glass bottle ready for storage. With your ingredients ready, let's mix the tincture. First, dissolve 5 grams of potassium iodide into 5 milliliters of distilled water in a clean glass container. Next, carefully add 2 grams of iodine crystals to this solution. Stir continuously until the iodine is completely dissolved, which may take a few minutes. Finally, slowly pour in 45 milliliters of 95% ethanol, mixing gently. Proper storage is key to maintaining your tincture's potency. Store your homemade iodine tincture in a dark, cool place, ideally in an airtight, amber glass bottle to protect it from light degradation. When using, apply a small amount to clean skin as needed, following appropriate guidelines. Always discard the solution if you notice any changes in its color or clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.